With some bocconcini cheese or mozzarella, you can make a delicious salad. Let's begin by marinating the bocconcini pearls. Fresh basil, chili flakes, peppercorns, olive oil are the few ingredients we need to marinate the bocconcini. You will also need some salt for seasoning. Hello and welcome to this edition of Majid's Kitchen. Tightly roll up the basil leaves and cut them finely. As you know, this is called chiffonade. Grind some peppercorns or using your mortar and pestle. Do this until the peppercorns have a fine texture, almost powdery. For 1 cup of bocconcini pearls, add about 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. To this you will add the pepper, the basil and olive oil. Remember to taste and season with salt. And for the ingredients, very basic, but you want to try to find fresh quality produce. Okay, get a nice avocado. I'm keeping it closed until I put some lemon juice on it to stop it from oxidizing. Parsley, beautiful sweet red and yellow cherry tomatoes, cucumber pearls, these are optional, and marinated bocconcini cheese. These are the bocconcini pearls, which is the smallest. And once that's done, most of your work for the salad is complete. Not forgetting butter lettuce or herb lettuce. So you can make one large salad or you can do individual plated salads, and I thought I'd show you a way that I would do it. So I've cut the end of the avocado and you're going to carefully run your knife all the way around it as I've done previously. Okay. Next, we'll remove the seed. Take a spoon and the skin to loosen it. As you can see, I'm going to place that in the bowl. And squeeze some lime on it. This will stop the avocado from oxidizing or getting dark. Marinated with bocconcini pearls. place them in the bowl along with some tomatoes. Now I used about 3 of each color. They were big, so I quartered them, but depending on how many, this is enough for 2, but I'm going to show you how I'm going to do one of them. Okay, and these are different size cucumber pearls, and you can make them by using these tools with different sizes. That's optional. You can also replace the cucumber or the tomato and use watermelon. It's also a great choice for this. Give it a mix. I'm going to add a little parsley to this. Now we already have basil in the mix. Sprinkle of salt and pepper.
Like the video if you like it. It goes a long way in helping the channel.
So I took the inner part of the herb lettuce, which is the smaller leaves within there, and we're going to take one of these avocados. You can see I increased the indent a little bit so we can fill it a little bit more, and we'll take our salad, runaways there.
So remember, the Bocconcini cheese is marinated with olive oil and seasonings, so this acts as part of your dressing.
Simple and delicious salad. A light garnish, and I'm going to use some balsamic reduction. A little bit of pepper, and your salad is done. Let's take a closer look.
Majid's Kitchen is all about sharing recipe ideas and helping you to cook restaurant quality meals at home.
Nice presentation for your loved one or your guests. Simple and delicious, brought to you by Majid's Kitchen. Give the recipe a try.
That's all for this week. Thanks for watching.